So this is an unboxing video for the Webfleet Solutions PRO8475, available in two variants. This is the truck variant in this instance, also a normal car and van variant. So I'm going to do a quick piece on who it's for, what it is, and first of all what's in the box. So if we open up the box first of all, there we have the device. It's a 7-inch screen ruggedized Android tablet, optimized for in-vehicle use. It's designed for either professional drivers or people that are on the road a lot. Even if you had, say, a caravan or you had a large vehicle as an individual user, that would also be fine. So instructions, obviously being a man, don't need instructions. Over them. And so into the box. So we have the device itself. We have USB cable, we have power cable, and we have the mount. Now the mount is probably more interesting than anything else here. This mount's been custom designed by Webfleet Solutions for use in this kind of in-vehicle environment. So what we have here is a mount that has a 4-bolt fixing at the back to attach to a standard 4-bolt mount. So that could be screwed to the dashboard or it could be attached to a windscreen mount. Very high-spec windscreen mount available for this device as well. Crucially, we have a camera jack, so we can actually attach this device to a webcam or an all-round camera system and use switching to show that when you put it into reverse, for example, or you indicate left, it will actually bring up the camera view on the screen. Very rugged mount. This is something you don't get with normal consumer devices. So the device mounts extremely ruggedly to that, and then it won't come off. It's got very strong magnets which actually hold it in place and stop it coming off. 4-bolt mounting on the back. As I mentioned, you've got USB and power on the side and the ability to plug in a camera. So that now is not falling off. If you buy a typical consumer device and you buy a mount for it, it'll cost a lot of money, and we know from customer feedback they come off a lot. This one you've got to push the top and fold it off to come off. It's got 2 very high specification magnets which lock it in place, and that stops the mount from coming off.